Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. October is National Financial Planning Month. Financial planning, as we know it, includes investing, tax planning, retirement planning, and basically other ways to get your finances in order and create mindful budgets to ensure a safe and secure future. Getting a step ahead of your spendings and savings is beneficial in the long run, and Financial Planning Month is the perfect time to do that. Joining us for this segment, we have Caleb Silver, Editor-in-Chief over Investopedia, and we're going to learn about planning for your annual financial planning checklist, and this is such a great list to go through. Let's start with an overview, and really the most important part, assessing where we are right now.
Yeah, you got to find out where you are. What are your assets? What are your liabilities? What are you spending? What are you bringing in? And what are you able to save? So that starts with listing your assets, your retirement accounts, your real estate, your saving, your college savings accounts, and then listing your debts against those, your mortgages, your student loans, your car loans. Wherever you owe money, you really want to establish where you are in your financial life today.
And if we think about a little bit longer term, what about your portfolio and directing investments?
Yeah, you're going to want to invest, and you're going to want to invest for the long term. So we don't just say every year, we say every quarter. Look at your portfolio. Look where your money is being invested. Are you comfortable with that? Are you comfortable with the level of risk? Are you risky enough or not quite risky enough to take advantage of long-term gains? But you're also going to want to focus on other things like life insurance as you get older, like long-term care insurance, like maybe saving for college. Your financial life becomes more complicated as you get older, so this checklist becomes even more and more important.
Yeah, and there's some things you can't avoid, taxes being one of them. Of course, planning for an emergency.
Yeah, you have to have that emergency savings fund put aside. We used to say 3 to 6 months. Now we say 6 to 9 months because we've been through a lot. You never know how much money you're going to need long term, but don't make investing suffer because you're saving too much. Make sure you're doing a little bit of both, and make sure you're not carrying a lot of debt. So you have to be thinking about your investments and your portfolio as you grow older. Maybe you want to be less risky as you're heading towards retirement. Maybe if you're in retirement, you want to bring down that risk a lot so your portfolio is not so volatile.
All right, Caleb, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.